Good evening from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Mumbai. Today I'm going to be flying on Thai Airways Business Class to Bangkok.
This was my first time flying out of the fantastic Terminal 2 at Mumbai in the last 3 years, and I was really looking forward to it. I have just under 3 hours to go before departure, so let's head inside the terminal. As soon as you enter Terminal 2, you are struck by the huge amount of space inside. The glass walls and high roof makes the terminal look gorgeous, especially at night. There wasn't any queue at the Thai Airways Business Class counters, and I managed to check in less than 5 minutes. Security and immigration completed, I was released into the Mumbai duty-free shop. It was just after 9 p.m. and the beginning of the peak international departure time out of Mumbai, as you can see. Alright, time to head to the lounge. Mumbai Airport Terminal 2 has a shared lounge called the Adani Lounge for business and first class passengers. There are 2 of these lounges in the east and west wings of the terminal, and I'm headed to the east lounge this time. The entrance to the lounge is grand, and you feel as if you're entering a luxury 5-star restaurant rather than an airport lounge. The grand feeling carries on as you enter the lounge, which is massive and does not feel crowded or cramped at all. The Adani Lounge is divided into different subsections, each with its own unique decor and seating designs. There's also a full-fledged bar which is kinda shielded from the rest of the lounge. There's a huge variety of hot and cold food available at the lounge. Let's take a look at the stuff on offer. After spending more than an hour at the lounge, it was time to head to the gate. My flight to Bangkok tonight was departing from gate 73, which was a good 10-minute walk from the lounge. Alright, here we are at gate 73 and I could see a huge crowd waiting for boarding to begin. Thai Airways flights out of Mumbai are usually quite full given the popularity of Thailand as a tourist destination. Here's my ride for tonight, a 16-year-old Thai Airways Boeing 777-200ER HSTJT. Boarding began on time and business class passengers were invited to board first. I love transparent aero bridges, as you know by now, and Mumbai's Terminal 2 does not disappoint in this area. I'm in seat 12K tonight, which is a starboard side window seat on this Boeing 777. Thai Airways Boeing 777-200ERs are more than 15 years old and feature relatively old business class seats in a 222 configuration. These are angled lie-flat seats as opposed to completely lie-flat seats in more modern aircraft. Each seat also comes with a 15-inch touchscreen-based IFE system. One good thing about these older seats is that there is plenty of space to stretch while seated as well as while you're standing up.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thai Airways International and Starline. Together with Thai Airways International Airlines. We have come for the large equipment factory and would like to welcome you on board our Royal Orchid service flight ET 318 from Bangkok. The flight time to Singapore Airport will be 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Right, let's do a loo review first. The business class lavabo on this aircraft is quite standard and is stocked with amenities such as cologne, moisturizer and hand wash foam. Nothing really fancy here.
So just taken off from Mumbai on board this Thai Airways Boeing 777-200ER. Tonight's flight to Bangkok will take about 3 hours and 45 minutes.
Okay, let's do a review of the business class seat itself. The seat control panel is located on the armrest and consists of soft touch buttons to adjust the seat position and recline. The seat movements are electronically controlled and work just fine. The leg rest extends out to form the lower end of the flatbed, while the backrest reclines into a slanted flat position. As mentioned earlier, the seat doesn't go completely flat, but it is comfortable enough for getting some good sleep. The famous Royal Orchid service began soon, and the crew served a bowl of warm nuts first, which was followed by a drink service. Thai Airways now hands out these AKG branded noise cancellation headphones in business class as opposed to the older bulky headphones. At first glance, these looked well designed and solidly built. The IFE system can be controlled by a wired remote controller which can be found inside the armrest and can be pulled out like this. It has a vintage design with a phone numeric keypad on one side and IFE control buttons on the other side. The buttons were easy to operate and the IFE screen itself was quite responsive to the inputs provided. Dinner is served on this late night departure out of Mumbai. I chose the chicken option tonight, which was accompanied with mashed potatoes and steamed veggies along with a salad, cheese and crackers. The meal was well presented and tasted quite nice as well. I really like these AKG noise cancellation headphones. The fit is fantastic and the sound quality is great as well. Oh wait, I almost forgot the garlic bread. For those that haven't tried it yet, the garlic bread served by Thai Airways in business class is simply delicious. It is soft and flavorful and is my all-time favorite. As soon as I finished my meal, the crew served the dessert, which consisted of a chocolate mousse in coconut jelly. It was not bad at all and I managed to finish the whole thing. With just under 2.5 hours to go before our arrival, it was time to get some sleep. As we descend into Bangkok, let me summarize my experience with Thai Airways Business Class. I see a decline in the level of onboard service as compared to my flights before the pandemic. For example, amenity kits are no longer handed out on this overnight flight while they were offered a couple of years ago. The Boeing 777-200ER is showing its age, and the older generation seats can no longer compete with the ones on newer aircraft. The crew is inconsistent with their service and attentiveness as well. Thai Airways really needs a refresh to keep it competitive in the Asia Pacific region. Hope the management is able to turn things around. Hope you enjoyed watching this review of my Thai Airways business class flight from Mumbai to Bangkok. See you on my next flight, which will be the continuation of my journey to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.